Welcome to our Elysian space. Our Finca Esperanza is in the Alicante region of Spain. We have a lot of land to try to work and gardens to improve and update. The Finca sadly has none of her traditional qualities remaining. They were removed or covered over in the 1980s. So please come along with us and follow our story as we try to complete all the inherited projects and try to transform her back into her former glory. Okay, so this afternoon I decided to make a tea cake. There's the recipe there. I'll say it as I go through. I know that it says 1 cup, but I actually made 3/4 of a cup. Where's the 3/4 cup? 3/4 of a cup of tea. Now it can be any tea. I'm a little bit snobby. I went for Lady Grey tea because I absolutely adore Lady Grey tea. And into this tea has to go 12 ounces of mixed dried fruit and 4 ounces of soft brown sugar, which is what I can get out here in Spain, or 4 ounces of demerara sugar. Let's go. Okay, we've got all the mixed fruit, dried mixed fruit there, glacé cherries, mixed peel, arándanos, I can't think what they are in English. Arándanos, Leo? Arándanos? No, red things that normally we use at Christmas. Cranberries, and mixed papaya and pineapple in there. So we've got 12 ounces here. Would you like to do the honours, Lulu, or shall I pour it in? Would you like to do the honours? Tip them in. Thank you. Right, 4 ounces of soft brown sugar goes in. Okay, all mixed in. Sugar's all mixed in as well, so that's amazing. Now what we have to do is leave it overnight to soak and then start the rest of the process tomorrow morning. Fabulous. Okay, next morning, 8 ounces of self-raising flour or harina de reposteria, which is there. 1 greased loaf tin. I think that's a pound loaf tin. I'm ever so sorry, I don't know what that is in metric. I really don't know what that is in metric, but it's a pound loaf tin. And this mixture here is going into here. Okay, for a crunchy top, I've popped a little bit of demerara sugar, or just the hard brown sugar, not the soft brown sugar. Yeah, because I quite like that. I like sort of adding my own little bits on. And once it's in this state, or you can have it without the sugar on top, pop it into the oven on 160 fan, 180 knot fan, and in the oven.
Still very hot outside, so we're going to continue with this project we started. How long ago did we start this project?
Ages ago.
Absolutely ages ago.
It's one of my worst nightmares.
Yeah, we did this project, the estufa and the tiling, and that wall is done. Air conditioning is done as well, and some of the electrics are done, but there's still lots to do. This area we need to sort out. Also the ceiling needs plastering.
That's the bit that was my nightmare.
Yeah,
Absolute nightmare, and still pieces are falling down.
yeah, so basically whilst the hot weather's here, we're going to be working inside, carrying on with this. And also we still have been slowly, hey Lobo, taking up tiles. And we got to this point here. So we've got to continue taking these tiles up here. It's a horrible job. And then over that area as well, which is basically going to be the dining room area. Okay, to start with then, we're packing up the trinkets. Okay, the bits and pieces. All these little bits and pieces.
All the knickknacks.
Knickknacks. Right, I'm going to explain to you what we need to do.
That's aimed at me, by the way, everybody, not you guys at home. Go.
Yeah, I'm looking behind the camera.
Yeah. Okay.
We've got the ceiling.
Yeah.
This is just to do the ceiling. We've got to scrape every little bit so that there's nothing at all sitting proud of the ceiling.
Oh,
And any loose bits as well, obviously.
So I've got to climb a ladder, is what you're saying again.
But look, all the way down here, all the way down here, there's all sort of sitting
proud.
Yeah, and you can't have any of that at all, like this.
You are kidding. How are you going to take that?
We've
You're going to
got
need
to
something
take it
stronger than that, love. Shall I get a chisel?
Yeah, we may need the hammer and chisel in some parts, like here.
Yeah.
Everything...
I wouldn't let me loose with a hammer and chisel. That's what happens there.
No.
When you let me loose. Move your hand. When you let me loose with a hammer and chisel.
Yeah, well anyway. Any loose plasterboard has got to come off.
Okay.
Anything at all here that's sitting
It's proud
of what we're plastering's got to come off.
Okay.
So all this down here, all the way round. This here, all the way round.
Can I not just sit and watch you and drink tea and plan how the room's going to be?
All this.
So you've blocked me out now, haven't you?
Has got to come down. And
He's blocked me out, everybody. He's blocked me out.
No, I'm just explaining to you what we've got to do.
Okay.
And like these, well, obviously where they put the coving up, this is like glue.
Yes.
So these have got to come down. They've got to come out.
Okay.
So square.
Yeah. Well, you've said this, so shall I put this phone down and get on with it?
Good idea. Scrapers there.
Thanks, love. Couldn't ask for anything more. Cup of tea can wait. Okay, I am laying down on our bed. I have just been stung by a scorpion in the front room, a little yellow blighter. It hurts like there's no tomorrow, but it's fine. Everything's going to be fine. I don't feel any anaphylactic things or anything. I might be allergic to nuts, but apparently not scorpion stings. Fingers crossed. So I have an ice cube wrapped up in a, I don't know what it's called, a washcloth, a face cloth on my foot. And at the moment, everyone's got proper shoes on. It's my fault. I was inside the house. I didn't have proper shoes on. I just had my socks and straight through my socks. I thought just being outside would be a problem. We've just called in reinforcements of Sammy. Everyone's got shoes on and they are trying to find the little blighter. So Nell's in there. We've got to get Nell out and yeah. The joys! Right, I've actually dragged myself out of the bedroom, checking the floor. Still can't really get my foot in the welly at the minute that I found. Still haven't found the scorpion. And Peter has just carried on and carried on and carried on, and he is working like a trooper. And we might be indoors, but it's still warm. So let me turn around and show you exactly how far he's got. He's done a lot. Hey, honey. Yeah. I'm just kind of watching, aren't I, at the minute? Because I still can't feel my toe.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
I've not seen it around here, so...
No, I know. But I'm hoping you just missed it on one of the things that we knocked off the ceiling, because that's what it ran under. And you just missed it when you put it in the bucket and you tipped it out when you tipped the other stuff out. No?
That's wishful thinking, I think.
Thanks. Thanks for that, hon. I'm up and at 'em again, but I do have my willies on. No scorpion sting is getting through these puppies. Tell you what though, it really hurts. Being stung by a scorpion hurts. But yeah, let's get tidied up. You guys may well want to go out in a minute. What's happening?
I thought they were like bardos things, like bricks.
Oh.
Made of brick, they're not. They're made of
Whatever that is.
white.
They're made of white.
They're made of white stuff, yeah. Don't know. I don't think we'll be able to save them. Let's get this lot out first. Then we can take this bit out. Yeah?
Yep.
Nice.
Sorry,
Coming out.
I'm just trying to sit with Mel.
Coming
Sorry.
out reasonably easy.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
it's not a problem.
Yeah.
Yep.
Cool.
Okay. All right.
Good job. Good job. Quite easy actually, isn't it? Says she, not holding the hammer, actually hitting the things out. It's coming out quite easily, that.
Okay, I'm taking this recess out, which I originally think used to be a window. This room here was probably was outside, like a terrace area with sort of low walls, and this was a window, I imagine, to the original house. So I've got most of the shelving bits and pieces out, and we're about sort of a foot or so in, and I'm just debating whether to take this top section. Now, if you just look through here, I can just see obviously the top of where the window used to be, so it's about another, I don't know, 6 inches or so I can take off of here, where the window obviously was bigger than what it shows there. So I'm gonna take another section off the top there, which will make this recess a lot bigger. Might make it look better as well, and also it will give me a chance to get to these wires, which I think were put in recently by the previous owners. Got to do the electrics anyway, so let's get that bit down. Certainly opened it up a bit more, another 6 inches or so at the top there. It looks like when they built these shelves and all the rest of it, they was using some sort of plumber's hemp or like horsehair type stuff to hold this plaster in place. Okay, I need to clean all this back, get all this off as well. Clean the whole thing so it's square, clean this stuff back and all the rest of it. Then we've got the original window opening there that we're going to be using as a feature for bits and pieces. The main thing being the TV.
Okay, I'm outside, got my little, oh, I think I might have just dinged it, got my little microphone on. Really pleased we found the scorpion. Not happy it died, but we didn't do that. I don't know what happened to it, but it was found on one of the dog's blankets. My worst nightmare came true, it was on the dog's blankets. I don't think anyone was hurt. Certainly never heard any of them squeal. We'll keep going, but I am pleased that I now know where that scorpion went, even though he did die. I now don't have to wear my wellies around the house anymore.
Okay, so in this recess we need plugs, probably 3 doubles here. So I have these wires here for the ring, going back through there towards the board, and added in another socket there. Around this side is a little bit of a wiring shambles, which I've got to tidy up, work out what's what. This is part of the plug ring, and then we've got a lighting over here as well, which I do believe we're moving the lights. It's the lights for these two, this room and the dining room as well. It's going to be going there, 2 switches there, so that's got to be moved as well. So I think the best way to do this is I'm going to put a junction box here, a decent sized junction box. These wires can go in, then run 2 cables for another plug, double plug just here as well, and then get that plastered in. Okay, I've got a lot of electrics done today, and some old cabling out, all these old colours, and the cables are way too small for plugs. It's like lighting wire for these plugs. We've got new cables in there, and trunking in there as well. With cables over here ready to go to the centre of this recess area where the TV's going to go.
Okay, 10 to 7 in the morning. I think it's Wednesday today, isn't it? Wednesday. Looking up at the sky, and we might actually get the rain that we've been promised. So yeah, it's quite exciting. No?
Yeah.
We'll wait and see. Let me show you the skies. And they are the heavy clouds. Let's wait and see what today brings. Okay, this is day 2 of the, I don't know what you want to call them, electrics. Excuse the dogs, we haven't really done anything in here yet this morning. It doesn't seem hardly worth it. It's just mess, much to Peter. Well, Peter doesn't like mess. I don't particularly like mess. We have no air conditioning in this room at the moment, so we have a trusty fan. And TV, internet's all been run by that, so yeah. But there we go. As I say, it's just dusty, but it's got to be done, and Peter's doing a marvellous job. So can't really tell you much more than that because I don't know enough about it. I'm hoping Peter can tell you guys all about it. So yeah. Oh, there's more up there. Oh, good grief.
Sure. Right, so this is where the light switches are going here. This one for the light there, and then the other one a double light switch for here. And that looks like this is the original house, how it was, with the front of the house here. And then obviously this bit must have been built on at a later stage to put, which I've seen on the other side, there's a steel beam across there to put this ceiling on as well. So I wasn't too sure that this front piece is not original, whereas this side looks like it is. Okay, let's get these electrics done.
Oh my goodness, that is amazing. After all that wonderful rain, we've got a beautiful rainbow. What is it in Spanish?
Iris.
Arcoiris. Thank you.
But it's literally a full
Yeah.
rainbow, literally from both sides.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay. I want to brick the back of this recess in, and at the same time fit these cables or fit these conduits in. These three here for the internet, Sky, and the spare one. And these are the sockets. So there's going to be 3 doubles here. This is just a plasterboard backing. So I need to build up a brick wall here. The junction box is going to go here. So this junction box, probably going to put that on the second run. So these bits, conduits can go into there.
quick tidy up. Well, as much as possible. We have family popping round for a barbecue this evening, so the dust has had to go, everything's had to go, all tools have had to be moved. We're doing a barbie and everything out here. I mean, you couldn't move earlier. Let's have a look down here. I think we're set. I think we're ready. 2 barbecues. We're done. Yay!
Time to cook the barbecue. Let's get started with the family.
That's it.
Honestly, he's a good boy.
Yeah, we can see that.
Okay, just getting the backing boxes set here. Just do little cutouts for the cables. Another 3 to go here for the sockets. So the 3 doubles here, sockets, junction box. I think this is for internet, and coax for Sky and terrestrial TV as well there. Yeah. Well, half workmanship.
So yeah.
It's only half done.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Another end of the week.
Yeah.
Are you happy with what you got done?
Not really. I wanted to get this finished, but we're halfway. And I'm working on it today, so I'm hoping to get it finished today. Get the rest of the bricks up there, and then do this top bit as well. And get some wires, bits and pieces in here. Then it's got to be rendered.
Yes. And the reason why it's got to be rendered, as he keeps telling everybody, is because I want to put some wallpaper up there, which you're not too sure on.
I don't know. I think I'm not going to be wallpapering around all this lot here, so there'll just be like a cutout here. But then a TV is going to go here, so it's going to hide it.
Yeah.
I think we need to look for another area, another place for wallpapering. Not too sure, but hey, if it's going to be, it's going to be.
Yes, I didn't get around to doing the table this week, but Peter has been so busy doing the electrics. You've done so well with the electrics. You've done really well with this and getting this all done. I've been off to Barkland quite a bit as well this week, and Leo's had a friend over, hasn't he? So we've been, yeah. So I've been a little bit busy this week. So Peter's basically done things with Sam. Got a lot more done. The table is still there. It's still on the...
Ongoing.
Yeah, that's the word. Yes, and we had a lovely time with family.
Yeah.
That was really lovely. It's
Lovely
nice to have a little boy back in the house again.
Yeah.
You forget, but no, that was really lovely.
You do forget.
Yeah. So that was really lovely, and we just want to say thanks for watching, guys, and
See you next time.
see you next time.